The iPad mini. For years, it has been the cult favorite, the underdog, and the most neglected child in Apple's lineup. But something has changed. Something massive is happening in Cupertino, and it's about to make every other tablet on the market look like a relic of the past. If you've been waiting for the perfect portable machine, the wait is officially over. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a complete reimagining of what a small form factor device can do. We are talking about desktop-class power in a device that fits in your back pocket. We are talking about the end of the jelly scrolling era, the birth of the ProMotion display on a mini, and a chip so fast it feels illegal in a device this size. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think your current iPad is enough, or if you think your iPhone Pro Max is big enough, you need to listen very closely. Because by the end of this, you're going to realize that the tech world just shifted on its axis. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the M5 chip. For the first time ever, Apple is skipping the A-series chip and jumping straight into the M-series powerhouse for the Mini. Why does this matter? Because the M5 isn't just a processor, it's a statement. It's built on a 2-nanometer architecture that defies the laws of physics. We are looking at a machine that can edit 8K ProRes video, run complex CAD software, and handle hundreds of layers in Procreate without breaking a sweat, all while being held in one hand. The efficiency here is staggering. We're talking about a chip that doesn't get hot, doesn't throttle, and consumes so little power that the battery life is pushing into the 15 to 20-hour range. This is the dream of every digital nomad, every student, and every professional who is tired of lugging around a heavy laptop. But power is nothing if the screen can't keep up. For years, iPad mini users have complained about the display. We've been begging for ProMotion. We've been dreaming of OLED. Well, the rumors from the supply chain are finally confirming the news we've all been waiting for. The iPad mini M5 is expected to feature a tandem OLED display. If you haven't seen this technology on the new iPad Pros, let me tell you, it's a religious experience. The blacks are so deep they look like the screen is turned off. The highlights are so bright they feel like sunlight. And yes, 120 Hz ProMotion is finally here. No more lag, no more stutter, and absolutely no more jelly scrolling. Every swipe, every scroll, and every stroke of the Apple Pencil will feel like liquid. It's the display the Mini has always deserved, making it the ultimate device for media consumption and high-end gaming. Speaking of gaming, the iPad mini M5 is about to become the undisputed king of handheld consoles. With the M5 chip's hardware-accelerated ray tracing and the sheer graphical horsepower, this device outclasses the Steam Deck, the Switch, and even some dedicated gaming laptops. Imagine playing AAA titles like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, or the latest Assassin's Creed at full resolution, with stable frame rates, on a screen that fits in the palm of your hand. This isn't just a tablet anymore. It's the most powerful portable gaming console ever created. And with the integration of the new game mode in iPad OS, the system prioritizes every ounce of power to ensure your experience is flawless. But let's get into the why of this device. Why does the USA audience specifically need the iPad mini M5? Because our lives are moving faster than ever. We are moving between meetings, commuting on trains, flying across the country, and working from coffee shops.